Today we're going to give you some symptoms to look for when your vehicle is having brake problems. Usually there are 5 common complaints that give the feel for brake problems: a hard brake pedal, a mushy or soft pedal, brake pulsation, brake noise squealing, and brake noise grinding. Having good brakes just keeps you out of trouble. As we maintain your vehicle, we carefully inspect the brake components. Most vehicles today have disc brakes, or some have a combination of disc and drum brakes. At Steward Automotive Repair, we provide a free brake inspection in any vehicle performing a maintenance service in our facility. When your vehicle sits in a wet or humid environment, surface rust can develop on the brakes overnight. This is not a problem, as soon as the brakes are applied, it should rub it off. At Steward Automotive, we use premium brake components such as coated rotors to help prevent this rust issue and also keep noise down and keep your wheels clean. You can't stop without brakes. Hopefully the information shared today will help keep your vehicle's maintenance program on track.